Are you tired of missing the perfect short trade opportunities? Imagine a tool that detects bearish reversals with precision, validates them with volume, and delivers actionable signals directly to your chart. The Sell the Rip indicator is your ultimate solution for short trading, helping you turn uncertainty into consistent profits. Before diving in, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on exclusive trading tools. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to get access to the Sell the Rip indicator along with our full suite of custom indicator tools for the ThinkorSwim Trading Platform. Explore over 26 custom studies tailored to take your trading to the next level. This tool simplifies short trading by identifying high probability setups and delivering precise, actionable signals. It starts by detecting upward pullbacks, temporary price movements, with progressively higher highs within a broader downtrend. These movements often signal overbought conditions, creating ideal opportunities for bearish reversals. By automating this detection, the indicator allows to focus on timely execution without hesitation. After spotting a pullback, the indicator tracks its lowest point, known as a pullback low. A breakdown is confirmed when a red candle closes below this level, signaling that bearish momentum is resuming. This critical moment is visually marked on the chart, enabling you to make confident and precise entry decisions. Volume validation takes the guesswork out of breakdown signals. The indicator incorporates two volume-based filters to ensure reliability. Above average volume confirms significant market activity to validate the breakdown, while increasing volume trends verify growing momentum, reducing the risk of false signals. These filters ensure that only high-quality, actionable signals make it to your chart so that you can trade with confidence. For added clarity, the Sell the Rip indicator provides clear visual cues for trading opportunities. Red arrows appear above the breakdown candles, pinpointing short entry points, while purple lines mark the pullback low for precise reference. Both visual elements are customizable, ensuring the indicator integrates seamlessly into your trading environment. Real-time notifications keep you ahead of the market so that you can quickly act on confirmed setups without constant chart monitoring. This multi-layered approach, combining pullback detection, breakdown confirmation, and volume validation, delivers unparalleled precision. It ensures you focus only on the best opportunities, boosting both confidence and profitability. The systematic design of the Sell the Rip indicator means you no longer need to rely on guesswork or chase unreliable setups. Say goodbye to missed trades and hello to confidence, clarity, and precision. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment below to get access to the Sell the Rip indicator, along with our full suite of custom tools for the ThinkorSwim Trading Platform. Join the growing number of traders already transforming their strategies with the Sell the Rip indicator. Your journey to smarter, more profitable trading starts today. So click the link, secure your copy, and start making every rip a winning opportunity. For more videos on our exclusive tools from the ThinkorSwim Trading Platform, click one of the videos over here.